Hello creatives and content creators. If you're looking for a facecam overlay and also something that's also animated, you're watching the right video. My name's Chris, and in this video I'll show you how to set up this facecam overlay for your live stream in Streamlabs OBS. You'll find the download files in the video description down below. Also make sure to follow me on social media for more, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more future content. Now let's jump right into it. Let's open Streamlabs OBS and create a new scene. I'll name it Webcam Scene, where you'll have to import the files provided in the download link. You'll need to import the background design as image file and the animation as media source over it. Let's add the webcam source right between the animation file and the static background. The webcam source should be 825 by 470, and you'll have to drag it over the dark area of the background design. Once this is done, we can create the text layers and labels. We will create a new folder where we'll put the labels and your name. If you want, you can also change the name layer to other stuff like setting up follower goal or subscriber goal or anything else that could fit the specific area. To add the name, you'll need to create a text layer with the following settings. Check the Google Fonts box, search for Rajdhani with the font style bold and set it to 36. Set it to uppercase and choose center for both types of alignment. The position for this layer will be horizontal center and 755 to the vertical align. Now let's add the stream labels. We'll need most recent follower, most recent subscriber, most recent donor. Let's start with the follower. You need to add from the widget section a stream label called most recent follower. Check use Google font and choose the font Rajdhani with the semi-bold style with the size of 24. The alignment should be to the left and the vertical alignment to the center. This part is done. Now we have to drag it to the right position. This may be the hardest part, but I've already done this before recording this video, and I can provide you the coordinates for the perfect alignment so you won't have to drag it manually. All you have to do is to right click on the layer's name and go to transform and hit the edit transform option from the menu. Now set the position to 600 by 765 and change the size to 24. This should automatically move the label to the right position. Now for the other ones, you'll just have to copy and duplicate this layer for each type of label you need and do some extra edits on the layer such as alignment, size and positioning. Let's do the next label, and that will be the subscriber one. We'll set the alignment to the right and the position to 1080 by 765. The other options will remain the same. And for the donation label, we'll set the alignment to center and the positioning of the text to 820 horizontal centered with a size of 32. You could also add a custom text if you like, just like I did here, and add a filter to make it scroll left or right. That will give it a bit of motion. The webcam setup is done, and now you'll have to import it in the other scenes. Let's go to a gaming scene, for example this one, and add it here. You'll have to choose from the standard section the webcam scene. Now you'll have to resize it a bit and move it anywhere you'd like. Keep in mind that you'll also need to be careful with the dimensions you're going for, because everything inside the webcam or interface will become smaller, and you must keep them visible. My recommendation, just don't go below 925 by 520. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial, and if you have a hard time setting it up, just DM me on Twitter. I'll be happy to help you with the problem. Let me know in the comment section what do you think about this design, and also what kind of stream graphics you'd like to see in the channel in the future. See you next time, and take it easy.